Okay. To build this tool, we've used the Naive Bayes model for classification. So, this is the basic formula for Naive Bayes. This is the posterior probability of the event A occurring given the event B. This is the prior probability of the event A. This is the likelihood probability of the event B given the event A, and this is the total probability. So, this probability is known to us beforehand from the training data. Say, for example, the probability of the source code issue, the probability of the customer issue, etc. So to calculate these two probabilities, we use some technique called as the bag of words. This is a common technique that is being used to calculate the probability, the conditional probabilities associated with the text strings. So this bag of words, how it's done is, we already have a repository of the probability of the words that occur in each of those issues. Say we have a pool of words that are most common to each issue, and once we get an error message, we see the words in that error message, and we compute the probability of words in that error message to occur to be part of the pool that has all the words related to that issue. So that is the bag of probability. And if you see, this is the total Naive Bayes formula for our model. So once we come, this total probability is nothing but the bag of words for all the three issues combined. So once we have this, we can in turn generate this source code issue, the probability of each issue given the error, and we take the maximum probability and we give that issue maximum probability for any issue, and say this is the mostly occurring issue for that given the error message. Also, we've initialized the likelihood probability to a very small value that is not zero. This is just so that for any error message that you like to start with, this is just done so that for if you say type some junk value that is not say related to any error, you just type some ABCD. In such cases, this will give zero. It won't give some junk probability.